In addition to email login, Supabase supports social logins. Let's take Google as an example. First, in Supabase's authentication settings, find Sign in with Google and enable the toggle. Next, go to Google Cloud Console and create a new project. In the search bar, type OAuth and open the OAuth consent screen. Fill in the required app info and save. Then go to OAuth Clients. Click Create OAuth Client. Select Web Application, give it a name, and set the redirect URL. After creation, copy the generated client ID and client secret. Back in Supabase, paste the client ID and secret into the Google login config and save it. After creation, go to the URL configuration section and enter your redirect URL. Back in MGX, type @Alex add Google authentication to enable this feature. Now your users can sign into your website using Google.